Farming is under enormous pressure at the moment with the ever-increasing cost of production, with the climate crisis, which is actually making it much more difficult to farm, with subsidy and regulation changing is a real challenge. And of course, consumers are demanding more sustainable food, for example, with a lower carbon footprint. So farmers need to rise to the challenge and meet that. So many are focusing on producing much more high quality, homegrown forage and then feeding it much more efficiently. So in response to this, Eurofins and trinamiX have partnered to create a best-in-class on-farm forage analysis solution. This leverages Eurofins' expertise in analytical services and our global network of laboratories, and trinamiX's advanced NIR spectroscopy technology. This allows us to take a solution to the market which should transform the way forage is managed. By analysing forage much more frequently directly on the farm, this allows nutritionists and advisors to offer the advice and guidance where it's needed and when it's needed. So this saves time, it speeds up decision making, and it allows advisors to offer much more professional value. There are many benefits to using a high quality on-farm analysis solution. For example, you can make better silage by fine-tuning the cutting date. You can improve animal health by spotting any deficiencies in the forage and quickly reacting to it. You can boost farm productivity because if you know the quality of the forage regularly, you can adjust the ration before you get any drops in milk production or reduced growth rate, for example. So you can preemptively act rather than reactively acting once you've seen the problem on farm. But if you have seen a problem, you can troubleshoot much more quickly and identify if forage is the problem or if it's something else in the feeding system that you need to change. So you're reducing your environmental impact. Even in the most well-managed forage systems, where farmers work with advisors to take samples regularly, send them to the lab for analysis, we still see problems. We still see poor silage produced from time to time. We still see suboptimal productivity in the livestock. And if you need to investigate, you take another sample, send it to the lab, wait several days, and by that point, the problem's probably got even worse. So if we had an on-farm analysis solution, and that's where our partnership with trinamiX came into play.
We as trinamiX, a subsidiary of BASF, are specialized in mobile NIR spectroscopy. Over the last years, we developed this new mobile NIR spectrometer, and we call it PAL2. And this next generation spectrometer is designed to analyze inhomogeneous samples with high moisture content, like forages, and that on farm in the field. And with this new hardware, Eurofins has developed new calibration lines for forages based on thousands of samples from across Europe. And now we are ready to offer this joint solution for on-site, on-farm analysis. And it is very easy to use. First, the spectrometer needs to be connected with the trinamiX Guide app on your smartphone. Then the rotator needs to be fixed to the spectrometer, and then follow all the instructions in the app how to calibrate the system, that you ensure that it works perfectly. Afterwards, you can switch on the rotator and start the measurement. You need to select the right calibration, here the Eurofins grass silage calibration, and then you are ready to go. You need to execute 3 measurements, and over those 3 measurements it will be calculated, and then you see the result in your app in real time. And that is the solution.
Better silage and healthier, more productive animals reduce your environmental impact. And if you're the farm advisor providing this improved service, then you'll have happier customers. Measure more to manage better.
And if you are ready to elevate your feed quality, don't hesitate to contact us for more information.